This video is to help you understand how to apply for Social Security benefits online. At this time, a lot of the offices are not currently scheduling SSA applications by phone or doing them in person. We really want to continue helping our clients move their cases forward by utilizing the options of applying online. To do this, you go to www.ssa.gov. What you'll do from here is click search. Type in apply for disability benefits, search. You need to click this second link, apply online for disability benefits. Scroll down just a little bit and click apply for disability. It will take you to this page. You do need to read and accept the terms of service before moving forward. Then it will bring you to the apply for benefits page. From here, you need to select start a new application. They say it takes 1 to 2 hours to complete, which is correct. It usually takes about an hour. If you do get tired and want to finish it later, you do have the option of saving the application and coming back to where you left off at a later time. From here, we'll ask you a couple questions. If you're applying for yourself, click here. If you're applying for someone else, click there. And then what you do is you will need a My Social Security account to move forward in applying online. If you do have an account, you can click yes. If you don't, you can click no. If you click yes, no other questions will appear. If you click no, it will ask you if you have an address in the US or US territories. You will need to select yes. From this page, if you do have an account, you can sign in here. If you don't have an account, you can choose to create a new account. On this page, you will need to read and again agree to the terms of service. And on this page, you will need to fill out, it is a pretty self-explanatory form, but if you do have any questions, feel free to call the office, and if someone is available, we would be happy to walk you through it. I have already created an account, so I'm unable to move forward to the next page. But on this page, what you'll need is your first name, last name, middle initial, social security number, date of birth, home address, primary phone number, and email address. If you would like to add an extra layer of security, you can choose to do so now. Since I've already created an account and I'm unable to move forward to the next page, I will explain what that looks like. The next page is going to ask you to set up your user ID name and password. It will then ask you to set up 3 security questions. Once you have done that, follow the prompts until it tells you the account has been created, and it should take you to a sign-in page. If for some reason it doesn't, you can go back to the main page and go through our initial steps of searching for applying for Social Security benefits and clicking on Apply for Disability. From here, once you click next and get into your account, you should be able to go forward and moving with starting the application. Once you complete and submit the application, you should receive an email. If you do, please forward it to your paralegal or legal assistant at our office so we can put it on record and know when the application is submitted, so we know when we need to do our status checks and can update you on the progress of your case. If you have any additional questions, feel free to give the office a call at 678-228-8688. Thank you.